He almost hit a pole. I seen the police, so. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Sweat. We outside in the snow. As y'all can see, this shit is drastic. I'm not used to the snow, but we gotta go get my boy from over there because we about to take our butt to the gym. And I don't know why we thought this was smart, but we gonna do it. Definitely might get some snow drifting or whatever, you know, type shit. Gotta do what I gotta do. The content, but y'all see, that boy is snowed in right now, like some sirs. But yeah, man, it's cold as a mug, y'all. We got the GoPro in the gym bag. This snow is like, yo, this snow thick, bro. Look at this. This snow is thick. Oh, almost there. Yeah, y'all see that boy? He froze. He is froze up. God dang. Whew. M340. Y'all see that peanut butter bouncing off the hay. Let me turn this mug on, though, because I gotta defrost my windshield, y'all. Woo. 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 But I'm gonna let the car warm up, give y'all a little cinematic, then we go get to moving. All right, y'all. We done made it in the car. We're cruising down the street. Your boy, he is not holding traction very well today at all. I don't even think I'm in the lines for the road, goddamn. This nigga laughing. He don't know if my life at risk, his is too. But I think we cool. I gotta find a spot because I'm definitely sliding in this winter snow. You know, the roads is naked for real. Them roads naked, man. Like, look at it. Y'all see, it's a few little cars. Got the safety vehicle right there, and then 4 little vehicles in front of me. But my side, oh, it's naked. We ain't really got too much going on. But I'll pick y'all back up once I get closer to the gym, cause it's cold and I'm trying to keep traction. All right, y'all, we done made it on the highway. You know what I'm saying? Little baby highway pool. Shit. I'm scared. Brother man in front of me driving slow as hell. What he got going on now? Like, damn, bit bro. Move it up. Damn. The boy's trying to get to the gym. He driving like he got a stick in his butt. Y'all see though, highway is pretty clear. We fucks with that. That's some real nigga shit. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never drove in the snow. This is new to me because I'm a southern boy. I ain't built for this either. It's cold. Like, it ain't like detrimentally cold, but it's cold. This that keep your black ass in the house cold. Let me see if I can get y'all a little light. You see the difference? The tent like dark as shit. You can't really see her. But it's the difference out here. It's white as hell. Y'all see they only clear one lane, bro, on the whole highway. Like 5. But hey, we making it through. Safety, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully everybody outside in this area that watches these videos, hopefully y'all being safe during these times. Oh, I see some salt trucks over there, y'all. They're getting us right. But that luxury of this X drive is really kicking in today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm driving on the highway like it's normal. Let me chill though, cause it's a curve right here. I ain't trying to go too fast around this mud. But we are in Sport Plus. I cannot lie, I don't even know if y'all can see that. Dining. But yeah, we is in Sport Plus. outside. Once I find a parking lot, I'm gonna do some donuts. Like, no doubt about it. Oh shit, that's if I can make it to the damn gym. You can't see shit. God damn. Yeah, man. Let me stop bullshitting. I'll pick y'all back up when I get to the gym. Y'all, they try to kill us. They did not clear this highway. We definitely just got too far sideways on this highway right here. It's sketchy as hell. Your boy done dropped down his speed. I'm scared, man. I just wanna say, like, just a kid, man. And then we got hit with that, y'all. Y'all know what that means. Dookie. But this shit getting crazy, y'all. I keep telling y'all I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get to the gym, but shit just keep happening. I see cars behind me, the hazard lights on, they scared. I'm definitely taking the back roads to go back home, cause yeah, them shit's safer than this. Not a fan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, you can't even see their license plate. Oh wow. Boy, it's bad out here. It's hard out here for a pimp. Yeah. My hand cold as hell doing that dumb shit. Oh my god. I ain't never doing that again. That shit was cold as fuck. God damn. Not a fan. Well, let me stop playing. I'll pick y'all back up in a second. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I just did all them donuts over there. I'm about to do some more for y'all. But y'all, we done came to the gym and they done closed this shit already. This shit sucks. I don't know what else to do. It's alright though. So I'm about to grab. I don't even know where it's at. Oh shit, we might be fucked. We might just be a little bit fucked. Just a little bit. Might just be a little fucked. Oh no, we good, we good. It's by his foot. Whew. But y'all see, we got that motherfucking GoPro stick. Goddamn. I seen the police, so hopefully buddy don't come fucking with us. He probably will. So I think I'm gonna go to a different location. But yeah, y'all, we got some donuts coming for y'all. Give me 10 seconds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was my first time ever doing that. Hopefully it looked good. I don't even know what happened, but y'all see the aftermath. That bad boy is caked in snow drastically. Like, just look at it. Caked in snow. We're done for. God damn, y'all. Y'all see it, man. Caked in snow. Your boy is outside. Tried to go to the gym. It didn't work out. But hey, man, we still got that content for y'all. So it is all right, man. Oh, shit. It is all right. But yeah, man, now we about to try to make our way back home. Hopefully that goes smooth. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we have successfully made it back home after a long journey. You know what I'm saying? we got them donuts in for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Your boy is, he almost hit a pole. I missed that part. That was kind of freaky, I ain't gonna lie. But I got a witness, goddamn. He saw it. I saved the shit. I had to go behind the car and between the pole, but I saved it. Fuck it. But yeah, man. I don't know if y'all can hear that mud, but that mud gargling. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Boy, love that B58. But yeah, man, I'm gonna take my butt in the house and make some Alfredo. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.